Welcome to the history of a Tudor Christmas here at Hever Castle. Thomas Boleyn was one of Henry VIII's most trusted diplomats, and through his connections with Margaret of Austria, he was able to secure a coveted position for his daughter Anne at her court. Anne then moved to the French court, where she finished the education she began here at Hever Castle. A core part of that education would have been learning to sing, dance and play instruments. It was noted by a French courtier that Anne had a voice like the mythical siren and accompanied herself with both the lute and the harp. Remarkably, Anne's own songbook still survives, and it is held at the Royal College of Music. Now, this almost certainly predates her time as Queen, as she signs it Mistress Anne Boleyn and accompanied it with the Boleyn's motto, "Now thus."